Hey, what's up, everybody? This is LA Productions, YouTube LA Productions. We're gonna do a tutorial on how to get your iPod working after that month. You know, when you turn it off, you don't ever need to really turn it off, but sometimes you just be like, oh, let me use, turn it off. So that way you think that you're gonna save the battery or whatever, but don't ever turn it off. You don't need to turn it off. That's what I'm saying. It's better if you don't, because earlier or last night I tried to turn my iPod off because I thought, I seen that, like, yeah, let me turn it off. Then I couldn't turn it back on all day. I'm pressing all the buttons, everything, the power button up here, this one, nothing, wouldn't turn on. I didn't have no music in the car, nothing, right? I was like, man, and the iPod been sitting on the shelf because of that reason too. Thought the battery was burnt out, right? So I was like, man, oh, bad day. iPod doesn't turn on. What a piece of junk. Then I went on YouTube and I started looking how to fix the iPod or fix the battery or whatever you can do to repair the iPod. And I watched all these videos and everybody's saying, plug it into the wall, They saying get one of the, get the jack. They saying use the iPod thing, you know what I'm saying? Plug it into the iPod, push the buttons at the same time. And I tried all that, right? All day, I'm like, damn, and nothing worked. I watched all them videos, nothing worked, right? Now here's what I did, right? I tried plugging it into the wall and hitting the buttons. Nothing worked. Then I tried plugging it into the computer. It didn't work, right? Then finally, right before I'm about to give up, at the end of the day, I get home, and I'm like, let me try one more time. But this is what I did. I took the iPod cord, right? Boom. Boom. Plugged it into the iPod. Now, here's the secret trick if you can't figure it out, but here it is. The real way. At least it worked. I mean, for me, you know what I mean? LA Productions, I wouldn't tell you no wrong shit, though. I wouldn't even get on make no tutorial. I'd tell you some wrong shit. So I'm gonna tell you what happened. You know how your computer will have multiple USB ports, right? It'll have like one here, or two on one side, or depending on what kind of computer you got. And mine right here, this is an HP with the Dre Beats, but they got 3 USB ports, right? Out of the 3 USB ports that it has, one of them is stronger. One of the USB ports is stronger than the other 2 of them. So out of all 3, one of them is the strong one. And on most computers, because I've had like a lot of computers, one of the USB ports will be the stronger USB port. So that's the one you gotta use. You gotta use that one. I tried the other ones, nothing worked, right? And I didn't know, because I was like, any USB port, or you could plug it into the power cable, into the wall socket, and none of that shit worked. So use the strong one, right? Boom, I plugged it into the strong one, and the little apple came up, on the iPod. The little apple came up, boom, turned on. And I said, damn, that's crazy, man. These fucking iPods, man, they charge you so much for these things, and they actually are pretty good, but like, why would they have like a stupid little mix, like, but then, whatever, Apple products. As you see, I got an HP. I'm probably gonna, not necessarily upgrade, but also I'm gonna start using MacBooks. I had a MacBook, I lost it. But use the strong USB, the Apple will come on and it'll work. Some people say you gotta have iTunes updated on your iTunes and you gotta restore the phone setting, all that, but I don't know, because I didn't even have my iTunes open. I just plugged it into that strong USB port and hit the button and that thing, boom. So yeah, try that, and remember, subscribe to LA Productions, YouTube /Leon Anthony Photos, because I do photography. I'm a photographer as well. but I also do video production, so, you know, stay tuned for more videos. And this is my first tutorial. I don't really like the tutorial bullshit. I think it's for computer geeks and all that, but whatever, you know. We're gonna keep giving it to you. It worked for me, so rather than throw your iPod away or sell it or whatever, just plug it into the strong jack and it'll come back on, and you'll be, you know, well, you can't, you know, but it works. You know what I'm saying? It's on. Boom. All right. Holla.